Hey everyone, welcome back to Natural Healthy Care. Today we're talking about 3 fruits that can help detox your kidneys and support overall kidney health. Let's dive in. Kidney detox, also known as kidney cleanse, is a process of supporting the kidneys in removing toxins and waste products from the body. The kidneys play a crucial role in filtering out harmful substances from the blood, and a detox program aims to enhance their function and promote overall kidney health. Here are 3 fruits that can help detox the kidneys, along with their benefits and how they can be consumed in the morning. Cranberries. Cranberries contain compounds that help prevent bacteria from adhering to the bladder and urinary tract walls, reducing the risk of infections and promoting kidney health. Morning consumption tip: mix a half cup of fresh or frozen cranberries into your oatmeal or yogurt, or drink a glass of cranberry juice. Make sure it's sugar-free and 100% cranberry. Lemons are high in citrate, which helps prevent the formation of kidney stones and promotes urine production, supporting kidney function. Morning consumption tip: squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into a glass of water and drink it as a refreshing morning tonic. You can also add a slice of lemon to your tea or breakfast smoothie. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which helps break down proteins and aid digestion, reducing the strain on the kidneys. Papaya also contains potassium, which helps lower blood pressure and support kidney health. Morning consumption tip: eat a slice of fresh papaya as a breakfast snack, blend it into a smoothie with yogurt and milk, or drink a glass of papaya juice. Make sure it's 100% papaya and without added sugars. Remember to always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness content.